Remember that your current situation doesn't last forever. Everything gets better and anything is achievable. Long on US 30 is playing out. I appreciate you guys for all the support. Please like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channle.
You flip my shit times 5, times 10, times 20. I got a Benz. I got the money.
Hopping in a Benz truck. Alright guys, it's 11:30 a.m. I'm on the balcony right now, just getting the day started. It's Saturday, so the market's obviously closed. We're just enjoying the weekend right now. Look at the view. We're right on the beach, so you get the best of both worlds. You got the beach right here. You can see the whole city from here. It's a beautiful thing. As long as you set your mind to it and you do whatever it takes and you don't give up and you have the discipline and you're consistent enough to do what it takes to achieve what you want to, there's nothing that will hold you back. There's nothing that's going to stop you from achieving the life of your dreams, as long as you're willing to put in the work. I had to come back up to the room so I could get this card so that I could get chairs and towels and all that shit at the beach. Sheesh. You know what I'm saying? You can look at Viz with the Gucci scarf.
Don't look at me, man. Look at yourself in the mirror. You're following this nigga, bro. MO trades. You're taking off, bro.
Walking to the car right now. I appreciate you guys for all the support. Thank you for everybody that's been watching the videos. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Oh, we were supposed to go to the second floor. Fuck, I'm like, where are we? Time to stay locked in. 2025, we're reaching new heights. This is only the beginning. We're just showing a little glimpse of what it's gonna look like. Back in the elevator with it.
Yeah. Sorry, baby.
Hey, what's up? It's your boy One Way Axel. We got a lot of things coming. Stay tuned.
Go ahead. Hopping in a Benz truck.
They had to buy no ice. They already had ice.
Yeah, they blessed us, huh?
Yeah, man. You already know what it is, man. Big Z's on the water. Don't hop me out, man, because I ain't going to swim. I'm not going to chat to you.
Oh, yeah, that all day. All day, the experience is the I first captain and the state.
I'm fucking with you.
Yes, in maybe
I'm fucking
20
with you.
20 years.
Yo jugando. Yo
20 years, 20 years.
20 years.
20 years.
Papi, tiene on freezer?
I'm ready for the tequila. Are we vlogging?
Damn right.
Hello. Day.
Wait, sign here and type name.
Where's that, can you bring the... Yo, where's the rum?
I think that's a bad bag. Hey, what's up? If you're not following the channel, you're missing out.
Bring it all down. Yeah, bring it up and get some ice. Like, fill one cup with a full of ice and bring a bunch of cups. And don't leave that bottle there, it might fall. I know, but let me go. Here. Fill one cup with a bunch of ice and then bring a bunch of cups so we have ice down there. You know what I mean? Alright guys, we on the yacht. It's almost my birthday. I appreciate you guys for all the support. Please like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link is in the description. Sign up to my VIP trading group. I'm trading live every day, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sign up. Guaranteed money.
Envo trade. You flip my shit times 5, times 10, times 20. I got a Benz. I got the money.
Best bartender in the game, you hear me? Yeah, we're in the video shoot.
Step
The little
one.
camera, the tiniest fucking camera ever.
That camera wrong.
Yeah, I know. I fucking shot with it a couple times in the studio. This shit's so fire.
We're vlogging, but we're doing a music video too. So we're multitasking.
I love that.
All right, shots.
Shot o'clock?
Cheers, everybody. Appreciate you.
Yeah, when I check on you at the moment of his birthday, what it is, baby, you already know it's Big Biz the kid, man. Been playing with you, man. Swear to God, we going hard, man. You see me rocking this shirt, man. Double G scarf, man. We sipping on the drink. So right now.
Just a typical day in the life.
of a trade master.
You know the vibes.
How could you put down the cup?
Anything you set your mind to is possible. Anything you set your mind to is achievable as long as you're disciplined and you're consistent enough. It's a vibe though.
What's the move for you tomorrow?
I might go jet skiing tomorrow.
This year is a year that shows us how much that we can get accomplished. It's happy birthday to me.
I think this is a fucking
It's good to go out and network. You never know who you're gonna meet. People see me out here vlogging. I introduce myself, let them know what I'm doing, exchange information. You never know what could come of that. You know, you never know what relationships you could build. You never know what kind of, who could be a client, who could be a new friend. You never know who you're gonna meet. So it's important to go out there and network and talk to people and exchange information and let people know what you do and all that stuff.
Camera?
Yeah, camera. Angelina's out of control. See, I got that rum punch right now. You know, we had to double up on it one time. Cheers one time. Yeah, man, you know, you see how we come in correctly.
That's shrimp or pork?
It's everything. It's three.
got the
It's
pork?
everything. It's all three. It's all three.
Okay. Who got pork then? What do you mean, yeah?
He got pork and chicken, we got just
I got
chicken.
pork, chicken, and shrimp.
He got all, these lettuce wraps are about to smack. That was a good pick. Alright guys, long on US 30 is playing out. I'm getting ready to close this trade. I'm in a Benz right now. In a G-Class Benz truck.